Hello viewers, Uncle Secret here. I've got the confession that I got from our brother in South Africa. The confession read like this. Hello Uncle Secret, please hide my name and my number. My story is nearly the same as the guy in Mpumalanga on your previous confession. I am a guy who is based in Soweto, South Africa. I am working as a waiter at OR Tambo International Airport. I came across Facebook advert of money ritual in Sandton, South Africa. I took the number. The lady answered on other side and tell me the whole process and give me direction. She told me to bring 550 for consultation, and in the morning when I bathed, I must collect the water that I bathed with and pour it in 500 milliliter empty bottle and bring it with. I arrived in Sandton, Bryanston. Big house, only rich people area. I was welcomed in their temple. She promised me I will get the money that I'm looking for. Then she started doing her work. Then she told me the goat is needed for the work. I need to pay 3,000 rand to buy the goat. Definitely is what I did. I transferred the money. Then she said I must go back home. When I arrive at home, I must drink water, glass of water at night. Then next day I must come back. Is what I did. The next day I came back to temple. Then she called her ancestors. The old man voice came and starts communicating with me. He said, when the lights get on, I will see something. It's a gift from him to me. I must use it wisely on a business ventures. The voice went away. The lady lighted the candle. Suddenly, there was a big bag in front of us. I was told to spray the bag with muti when I opened it. I did what I was told to do. Definitely, when I opened the bag was full of stacked 200 brand new notes. I was ordered to take the bag to my car, accompanied by the lady and her helper. I carried the bag to my car, then opened the boot. I placed the bag inside the boot. Then I locked the car. We went back to the consulting room, and the old man voice came back and gave me instruction how to use the money. He said, I must get 250,000 and put it inside my car boot overnight. Next day, I must take that money and arrange a business that I want to run. Then after a week, that's where I can start using the money from the bag. I did told the old man, there is no way where I can get 250,000 because I'm blacklisted from all the places and my salary doesn't allow me to get 250,000 loan. He said I must make a plan to get 250,000. He's giving me 10 days to do that. I accepted because I knew I have got the bag full of money in my boot. Then I leave. On the road, William Nicol, which is now called Winnie Mandela Highway, I stop on the side of the road. I opened the boot to look at the bag full of money. To my surprise, the bag was nowhere to be found. There was no bag with money. My boot was totally empty. The big bag just disappeared in my boot. People, we need to be careful of what we are doing. That's how I was scammed 3,550. The Sangomas from either Malawi, Nigeria, Congo, who are in South Africa, are worst ever scammers. Yo, viewers, this country mar. Viewers, let's meet on the next confession. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Like the channel and like the video. We want to see it growing. If you have got any confession, just send the confession on any languages, then we'll convert it into English. Thank you, viewers.